This is the fourth day of camera. So yesterday we talked about the best app for video editing, and today we're going to be focusing on one of the app, which is CAPCUT. I hope you stay tuned and watch to the end of the video. Now let's head to CAPCUT. So first of all, when you open your CAPCUT, the first thing you're going to see is new project. You click on new project. Once you click on the new project, you select the video you want to edit. So guys, this is how I'm going to select the video I want to edit. So I'm going to use my behind the scene of the shoot I did last. So I'll pick this, just few of them, just need few of them. Okay, so so I'm selecting only 5, so you add it up. Once you do that, so this is the first so you can just scroll like this to see the video of what the video, you can just scroll to see what the video look like. You get. So the first thing you're going to do now is edit. What does this edit help you to do? Edit helps you to trim your picture, your video, you understand, trim it a bit by bit on how you want it. What does the audio do? The audio is used for adding a background sound, or also converting a video to sound. That's what the audio is for. So what is the text used for? The text is used for writing something on top of the video, a text on the video. So what's the overlay for? The overlay is like adding a duplicate of a video, like adding a video on top of a video. You get. So we're going to go through them bit by bit, but I'm not going to go deep into it. If you have any confusion or you need any guideline on how to do any of them, you drop your comment on the comment section. So the other one is effect. You want to add effect on your video. The other one is ratio. The ratio you want your video to be like. If you are using 5:4, that's Instagram side, they have many ratios. So the next one is filter. Filter is just like color grading. So CapCut has an inbuilt color grading preset on it already. So in this filter, that's where you select the one that suits you the most. So the next one is adjust. What does this adjust use? Adjust is like if you want to adjust your lighting, you want to sharpen the video, you want to do some color correction, this is where you go, the adjust. So the sticker is just like, oh, you want to put a sticker of something smiling, or you want to put a sticker of anything that you want to use a sticker. But CapCut has their own sticker already on this. So last one is Canva. What does this Canva do? Canva is very if you guys have used Canva before, you know that Canva is used for design and all this. So this Canva is if you want to remove your background, you want to blur your background, you want to change the color of your background, this is you use Canva. So first of all, let's start with the cut. So this is the video. Okay, so we are starting with this. So cut, this edit is used for splitting the video. You want to cut and leave the part you want. So I've cut the first part now, I'm leaving this. So this is the second part. So let me look for where I need. Okay, so I'll cut from here, then delete this. So I don't want my video to be much, but I just want to show you what it looks like. So next one is, let me add audio on it first. So once you click on audio, you see sound, you select sound. So this is a TikTok original sound. Like I want to make use of this me favorite song. That's what I want to use to edit. So I will select it. Okay, I'll add it up. So this is it now on the video. You see? So now, as you can hear, the sound of the video now is kind of no. So you have to focus this video according to the beat you get. So here now. So let's first of all add cut from here a little bit so that we can add some kind of so kind of a effect on it. So let's look for something that, okay, this is a transition. I just want to add transition so that the video will look more like it, so hope you guys understand. Okay, so I just want it to be, full up with the sound and all this. Okay, so let's see now. Okay, so let's adjust a little bit of this. We have a lot of so let's follow this sound thing. This is where we cut it, we remove it, and so we're going to edit this in according to the sound. So we're going to edit it according to the sound. So guys, stay tuned, just watch what I'm doing. From here you can learn more. Okay, so we've done that. You can see what I'm doing, right? So it's kind of easy to use CapCut. Very easy. So still remaining one again. We have to cut and add one more from. Okay, let's add this. I think it looks better, kind of. Okay, let's see. So we have an error, so we need to bring this thing down a little bit. Okay, so we need to add one more video. Okay, we need to add this here so it will line. So you can see what I'm doing, guys. So I'm cutting the video according to the sound so that we can have a flowing sound that will align with the so so guys, let's play this and see what we got. This is cutting off. This is just equal. Can you see this? This video just like very simple. Anytime you are doing a video in CapCut, you understand the secret there is you have to edit with the audio. You understand? You have to make sure you are flowing with the audio. So with that, the viewers can actually relate with what you're trying to achieve. So guys, so what we just did now is cutting and transition. We can do transition if you want, but we have added audio, we have done edit. So let's use writing. You understand? What you want to write, you have to first of all know what you actually want to write on the video. Okay, let me see behind the scene. Okay, let me see, wait for it. Okay, there's no let me see, follow for more. Okay, so this is what I want to write. Then I can actually change the style of my write-up. I can actually I can add effects. I can animate, how do I want it to come in? Do I want it to come in one by one, or how do I want it to come in? So I like using this. Understand? I will create a time lapse. See? So now I'm going to add this at the back of the video, like at the last edge of the video. Follow for more. You understand? So that's not all. I'll add more text. I'll add my social media accounts at Obika_Justin. That's my Instagram account. My YouTube is Obika Justin's Photography, so you can follow me up there. So here now I'll kind of change my style, add blue so that to be enlightening and so that's it. Okay, I would like to use this for so now I have to drag this down and make it kind of smaller. Just come up a little bit. So this is what I want. Okay, let me add a little bit because of see, let's watch it now. Can you see this, guys? So this is all for the that's not all. So effects, do we need to add effects? Most of the time I don't make use of this effect, but if you feel like you want to add magician, you want to make some parts, it depends on what you want though. So let me say this is the let me select that first one, but I will add it only on this. So this so it depends on what you actually want to add. So I don't like adding too much thing to my video. So the next thing I'm going to look at now, ratio. I like the ratio. I want it Instagram size, but I prefer the way it is. Understand? So the next thing we're going to look at now is filter. We want to edit, like we want to add our colors and all these things. So there's a normal color I normally love using, very simple one. I don't want too much. Okay, what's the name? I like using this. It must not be, just need something very simple. So that's all. So if you come again now, another one is adjustment. You want to adjust, you want to sharpen the video, you can sharpen it. You want to do some color, add up and all this stuff. This is where you do them. So you want to do your shadow, you want to boost your shadow, your green and all this stuff. So under this. Okay, so now the video is sharpened like killily. So that's it for adjust. So sticker is if you want to add all this funny emoji, subscribe, want to add subscribe to your YouTube channel, so you can just add any, but it all depends on the platform you're posting these videos. So let us add this, so it won't be as if we didn't actually touch. Okay, let's say we added this. Okay, so that's it for here. So what's the next thing? So guys, that's all for this CAPCUT video editing. So I'm going to export this video, and if you want to, I like using 720, or sometimes 4K, but all depends on 25 frame rates, so it depends on what you actually want. So but this is how I normally leave my exportation. This is my export. So total of the whole video is 20 MB. So but if you increase it now, you will have like 50 MB. If you reduce it, you have 11 MB. So let's leave it at 50 MB or less. So you can export now. So guys, I'm going to export this video now. You guys are going to see what the video look like once I'm done exporting. And I hope you understood and were able to follow up on this video. Alright, let's go to my file. Okay, this is it. See, okay, so guys, this is it, and thank you for watching up to now, and I hope